In Core for Building Information Modeling, the project overview provides a dashboard view of the status and health of a project, including timeline, readiness, and summary to guide the administrator towards a well-structured, compliant project. Contribution to a project cannot start until classifications, deliverables, roles, and participants are all in place to ensure each project has both a contributor and consumer for every deliverable. To check the project status, select Make Project Active to see a list of completed and outstanding setup tasks under Project Settings, Production Plan, and Delivery Plan. In this example, we see the production plan is missing values from the RACI. To resolve this issue, navigate to Production Plan to see in Stage 1 the responsible party needs to be assigned. Select Edit to update the RACI details accordingly, and Save to update the production plan. Back under the project overview, under the readiness dashboard, we see the previous issues identified have been resolved, and the conditions required to make the project active have been met. Select Make Project Active to complete this step.